Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Novita Putri Jenis Tianto. Analytical exposition. Definition of analytical exposition. Analytical exposition is a type of text or spoken material in English that is used to explain the author's views on an issue. In other words, this text is argumentative text. This type of text is very popular in academic circles and can be found in scientific books, journal, magazines, newspaper articles, academic speeches, and so on. The purpose of this text is only to make the reader or listener aware of an issue raised by the author or speaker. Analytical exposition characteristic when it is an argumentative text with supporting tension. 2. Using conjunctions such as phrase, second, third, next, furthermore, additionally, and so on. 3. Using the simple present tense. 4. Use evaluative words such as important, valuable, trustworthy, and so on. Generic structure of analytical exposition. 1. Thesis contains the opinion of the author or speaker regarding the topic in question. 2. Arguments. Arguments contain opinions that support the main idea. The more opinions that are weighted, the more interesting an analytical exposition text is because readers or listeners tend to believe in and even if there are many supportive opinions in it. 3. Writer tension contains conclusion or statements of the essence of the ideas present.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Fitratun Nufus. NIM 2020510050. Analytical exposition formulas. There are several characteristics or formulas when you want to write an opinion. Number 1. The grammar used in analytical exposition is the simple present tense, so you have to write an opinion with the verb 1. Number 2. In writing opinions, you need to use words that express thoughts or feelings. For example, experience, feel, know, release, sense, think, and others. This aims to make your writing more personal and readers will feel more emotional writing because of the writer's closeness to the topic being written. Number 3. Using an internal conjunction that connects arguments between two clauses. Internal conjunction can be divided into 4 categories, namely addition, example, besides, in addition, furthermore, time, example, second, then, next, cause or effect, example, consequence, as a result, and so. Number 4. Finally, you can write analytical exposition with causal conjunction, are cause and effect. For example, like using the words as a result, because, by, consequently, despite, due to, for that reasons, and others. This serves to strengthen your argument, which will be understood by readers without writing down cause and effect. It is likely that the opinion thought be biased or blended.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing, my name Sinta Andriani, NIM 2020510063. Here I will continue the presentation from Fitratun Nufus. Purpose of analytical exposition text. The purpose of the analytical exposition text is to persuade the reader that there is something which needs an attention. This is example text analytical exposition. COVID-19 health protocol violators shall be sanctioned. As we know, the number of people infected with the COVID virus is still increasing in our country, but some people still ignore to health protocol by not wearing masks and keeping their distance. Firstly, the violators will continue to ignore to health protocols suggested by the government if they aren't sanctioned. By being sanctioned, they will feel deterred and ashamed to that in the future they will obey the rules given. Secondly, by sanctioning the violators, they will understand responsibility. Not only does it prevent you from being infected by the virus, but adhering to health protocol also keep others safe. We may not feel infected, but at least we prevent bad things by continuing to keep distance and wearing masks. That way we will fulfill our responsibility ourselves and others. Lastly, giving sanctions on the violators will make them more aware of the dangers of COVID-19. It is said that WHO atau WHO declared COVID-19 is a pandemic, which means that this virus is very dangerous, so it is best to continue to maintain health and avoid COVID-19. Therefore, to health protocol violators should be sanctioned because of the reason given above. The analytical text structure of the exposition. Thesis, paragraph 1, argument, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and paragraph 4. Reiteration or conclusion, paragraph 5. So, many presentations from our group. I apologize if there is a mistake and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.